Today, we are looking at the Toyota 2000 GT MF10 for the 1969 model year kit from Aoshima. 124 scale curbside kit. Got released late in 2021. This is going to be one of two new tooled kits from Aoshima. And it is today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body. And getting started now with the chassis parts tree, and you can see it also contains the door panels, interior door panels, as well as the rear shelf piece it looks. So you can see pretty much all the detail is separate, which is good. You have a little vent grill piece there. And the interior door panels, which will have some detail added to them to complete them. And then onto the interior bucket, which everything will be built up onto the chassis floor. The parts tree H, which will be the dash. Parts tree F is up and next, with contains the seats, which are going to be two pieces, steering wheel, center console. It's like the top part of the dash, pedals. And now we're looking at parts tree I, which contains suspension pieces, exhaust, brake rotors. So you have the, I'm not sure if it's front or rear, suspension, lower control arms, springs, shocks, tower, front spindles there. You have the underside of the engine and transmission, the rear spindles, exhaust, and brake rotors, which are just generic Aoshima brake rotors. Up next is parts tree J, which has the rear transaxle, another set of control arms, front and rear. And now we're taking a look at parts tree D, which has more various pieces. And some, it looks like there's some interior pieces, suspension pieces. Taking a look now at parts trees B and C, which molded in orange and red. Looks like you have taillight lenses. And now we're taking a look at the roundy rounds, which is going to be a set of Bridgestones. And you get a set of metal license plates and polycaps. Now we're going to take a look at one of four chrome parts trees. This is part tree N, and one of the cool things Aoshima did, we'll see how it works out, is they try to emulate Tamiya and do the same thing they did with the window trim on the Z. They did that here on this one, where the chrome trim is already done, and it will, attach it instead of having to do BMF. Great idea. Let's hope I hope it works out great, because this could be a new way to move forward. So you have the windshield, rear window, and then the side windows there for you. And we have the headlight buckets, up there. Bits. Moving down here, we have, or I'm sorry, taillight buckets. Headlight lenses, buckets down here, exhaust, the mufflers. Parts tree O, which contains the wipers, as well as a set of rear view mirrors, 2 pieces. And they did the mirrors 2 pieces. There's the mirror face, and then the body there, 2 piece. Interesting. Now we'll move on to parts tree K, which is the wheels, and you can see they are 2-piece wheels, the center cap. And on to parts tree K, or excuse me, Q, which has a whole bunch of other pieces. Looks like there's some interior piece, door panel pieces. Maybe there's the another. Now we're taking a look at parts tree A, which is the clear parts tree. So you have the front, rear, side windows, headlight, lenses. Now taking a look at the last couple of things to look at. First, you have a chrome adhesive sheet, kind of like BMF, but a little bit thicker. And the decal sheet. See, it's pretty full. You have some nice wood grain decals, some license plate options, 1 license plate options, but 2 ways to do them. Tier gauges, looks like radio heating controls. And now we're taking a look at parts tree R, which will be the underside cover, a tray, vent piece. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Toyota 2000 GT MF10 for the 1969 model year kit from Aoshima. And yes, if you want to get yourself some color matched Toyota 2000 GT paint, James and Scalefinishes can do that. At least he can one color, because I got him to do one for me for the Hasegawa kit. So, on that note, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.